how to do the SHOTXCRISIS TikTok trend, which looks very hard, but the actual hardest part is the speed, so anyone can do this, so don't click off. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow, and now, let's go. So, the very first thing we are going to do is a crossed whoa, because there are different types of whoas. There's this one, and there's this one. So we're going to do the second option, a crossed whoa. And then we are going to clap, fold, clap again. So, whoa, clap, fold, clap, and then our hands go 1, 2, so forward, forward. Our fists are also looking forward, and then we're going to pretend we are driving. So, 1, 2. So, from the beginning, whoa, clap, fold, clap, forward, forward, drive, drive. Okay, so after this, we're going to do a wave with our hands. So, we don't have to do a wave with our arms like a giant one, just a small wave, right? We're going to pretend we're grabbing something and pulling it towards us. And then, we are going to fold our arms like this. So, from the beginning, whoa, clap, fold, clap, hand, hand, drive, drive, wave, grab, towards us, fold. Okay, so after this, we're going to pretend we have a table here, and we're going 1, and then we're going to the side, our hand goes down, 2, and then we're going to pretend we are DJs, and we're going to go like this, okay? So, from the beginning, so we don't forget anything. Let's go. Whoa, clap, fold, clap, 1, 2, drive, drive, wave, grab, towards us, fold, table, side, 1, 2, DJ. Okay, so after this, we're just gonna roll our arms. So this is a pretty fast part, so you're just gonna practice it, and just practice it faster and faster and faster, and that's it. Like, it's pretty easy in the end. So, let's go. So, this is going to be the second part. So, we're going to divide this by parts, so it's a lot easier for us to remember. So, there are 3 whoas in this dance. So, the first whoa you already saw. Now, we're going to do the whoa again, and then there's going to be another whoa. So, you can divide it by points, so it's easier for you to remember. I don't know. That's how I learned this dance. So, after we roll our arms, we're going to whoa again. And then, remember, we're going to go yes, just pretend we're saying yes, then small 8, point forward, and then again yes. So, whoa, yes, 8, forward, yes. So the 8 has to be pretty small. You're not going to do a giant whoa, a giant 8, because it's very fast. So, whoa, yes, 8, forward, yes. Okay, so let's start from the beginning, and then we'll go on. Whoa, clap, fold, clap, 1, 2, drive, drive, wave, grab, towards us, fold, table, 2, 3, 4, DJ, roll, whoa, yes, 8, forward, yes. Okay, so after this, we're going to go. We're going to pretend we are looking for something, searching, so search, then point forward. This is the part I forget a lot, so remember to point forward, and then we're going to go 1, 2, and then slowly go 1, 2. So this is the slowest part of the whole dance. So look forward, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so after this we're gonna go 1, 2. So we're gonna do small waves. So wave, wave. And then we're gonna do the same waves, but our hands go different. They're not here, they go up and do a circle like this. So up, circle. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. So let's start from the beginning, and then we will go on because we are almost done. So let's go. Whoa, clap, fold, clap, 1, 2. Drive, drive, wave, grab, towards us, fold, table, 2, 3, 4. DJ, roll, whoa, yes, 8, forward, yes, look, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after this we're gonna go whoa again. This is the last whoa in this dance. So whoa, and then we're gonna clap, fold, clap again. We're gonna point forward again with both arms. 1, 2, and then this part is different. We're gonna slide, slide, elbow, elbow, and fold again. That's it, that's the whole dance. So now we're gonna practice it twice. We're gonna practice it once, slow like we did before. And then the next part is gonna be a little bit faster. It's still not gonna be the speed of the original Tik Tok, but still a little bit faster. So from the beginning, first slow, let's go. Whoa, clap, fold, clap, 1, 2. Drive, drive, wave, grab, towards us, fold, table, 2, hand, 2. DJ, roll, whoa, yes, 8, forward, yes, look, forward, hand, hand, slow, slow, 1, 2, wave, wave, whoa, clap, fold, clap, forward, slide, slide, elbow, elbow, fold. And now the same thing, but faster. Let's go. 1, drive, drive, wave, grab, towards us, fold, table, 2, 3, 4, 5, roll, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look, forward, 1, 2, slow, slow, 1, 2, wave, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slide, slide, elbow, elbow, fold. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!